tao at mga personalidad na naging bahagi at sila yung unang mga punong abala para matupad at magkaroon ng maisakatuparan yung pagkakataon na to. Miss Rodina, please. Mangyari po lamang na pumunta dito sa harapan yung mga tatawagin namin para muli kunin nyo na yung mga walis nyo, yung mga tatawagin namin, at muli maglilinis na naman kayo.
Ako naman tawagin yung committee ng maglilinis.
Gusto lang nating pasalamatan ang mga taong bumubuo o nag-organisa ng reunion na ito, that naging ang reunion na ito ay possible para sa ating lahat at talagang matagumpay. Siguro lahat tayo mag-a-agree doon. So, starting off with the elected officers of Batch 18, our President, Ms. Rowena Enriquez Rivera, Vice President Edgardo Del Rosario, Secretary Remedios Santos Ilagan, Treasurer Lota L. Villaseñor, Lota A, Assistant Treasurer Tess S. Cruz, Auditor Maria Duque. Okay, the different organizing committees of... sandali lang po.
Okay. Actually, ilang months ang preparation namin bago itong reunion na to. Nagbigay kami ng acknowledgement to our teachers. Pero this time, gusto naman namin, kaming mga batchmates nila. Okay? Ang mga officers na to talaga naman nagpupuyat hanggang alauna, 2:00 na madaling araw. Okay? Ito, hindi nyo alam to talaga. But we have some surprise for you. Kasi hindi namin kaya yung ginagawa ninyo eh. Okay? Hindi namin, kayo ba kaya nyo yung ginagawa nila? Hindi, di ba? Sabi ko nga sa kanila, ang kaya ko lang gawin, yung magtatawag, magte-text sa mga kaklase natin, yan. Pero sila nag-house to house, kung alam na pinaggagawa nila. But this time, we want to acknowledge.
Plaque of recognition, this plaque of recognition is given to Ms. Maria Duque Hamto for her invaluable support and contribution in making the Silver Jubilee Alumni Homecoming of JRHS Batch 1980 a success held at Jose Rizal High School compound given this 9th day of April 2005 in the city of Malabon.
Next, Tess Cruz. Plaque of recognition. This plaque of recognition is given to Teresa San Juan Cruz for her invaluable support and contribution in making the Silver Jubilee Alumni Homecoming of JRHS Batch 80 a success held at Jose Rizal High School compound, given this 9th day of April 2005 in the city of Malabon. Next.
Okay, this plaque of recognition is given to Lota Aguilos Villaseñor for her invaluable support and contribution in making the Silver Jubilee Alumni Homecoming of Jose Rizal Batch 80 a success, given this 9th day of April 2005.
This plaque of recognition is given to Remedios Santos Ilagan for her invaluable support and contribution in making the Silver Jubilee Alumni Homecoming of JRHS Batch 80 a success held at Jose Rizal High School compound, given this 9th day of April 2005.
recognition is given to Edgardo Del Rosario for his invaluable support and contribution in making the Silver Jubilee Alumni Homecoming of JRH's Batch 80 a success, given this 9th day of April 2020.
Okay, last but not the least, of course, Jose Rizal High School AU Batch 1980 proudly present this plaque of appreciation to Ms. Rowena Enriquez Rivera for her invaluable support and contribution in spearheading the Silver Jubilee Alumni Homecoming of Jose Rizal High School Batch 80 class. Given this 9th day of April 2005 at Jose Rizal High School, Malabon City, not signed, actually. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Applause naman dyan!
Officers, please. Yan.
At long last, natapos ang paghihirap ng ating mga officers. Thank you.
So, lalagyan ko lang ho ng konting break. Gusto ko lang ho magpasalamat kay Winnie. Paalam ko lang, Winnie. Meron ho kaming special para kay Winnie na bigay ng #1 supporter niya. Yung husband niya, Ed Rivera.